Hey, today's video is replacing the glass in a door and pulling a big dent, as you can see. The other day I was reversing back into my garage, like under the house, and had my door open ajar like that, and I was looking behind me, and then the door blew open with the wind and then curled all the way around. Not ideal, and it managed to break the glass and put a big dent in the side of my door. I've got all the glass out already. It was a fair bit of glass. I'd vacuumed it all out of the inside of the door. So now I'm gonna pull the dent and put the new window in, which I kindly got from Frankenstein. So the first part of this door is going to be pulling the dent. Because I hit it quite hard, it like actually bent the reinforcement bar inside the door. So, and I won't be able to pull it with like a suction cup or hit it from the other side because it's sort of like bent in shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tack weld these little pieces of metal here with some loops on them, like a chain loop, and then I'm going to ratchet strap it against the post so to like pull the door dent out. It's not going to be the nicest look. It probably won't be perfect. I mean, definitely won't be perfect, but it'll get the job done, and for cheap, if not free. So that's my plan. Yeah. I have to take the paint off the door to weld to it, obviously. So I know I'm wrecking my perfect paint, but it'll be fixed. That was quite easy. I gotta get the welder and weld to it. Yep. This is the piece I'm gonna weld to the door. It's got two hooks on it, so I just cut a piece of chain in half, welded them to it, and then I need to cool this down. I need to cool it down now, so I can touch it and hold it and stuff. I'm just gonna like rinse it in the sink, get its steam off. Pretty cool to see, so super hot, you don't want to touch that. Not too bad anymore. So yeah, weld that to the door, pull the door, cut the tacks off, and bog the door and stuff, I guess, depending how much I want to do, but just pull the dent for now. So as far as I plan on getting. There we go, I got that tacked to the door now. Now I got it tacked in 3 spots on each side. Hopefully that holds. Just, ow, it's hot as. I thought it might not be that hot from 3 tacks, or 6 tacks. But I'll put a ratchet strap around it, see if I can pull the door out. Hopefully it doesn't just pull the car sideways, because I want to be able to have a window. So this is my setup. I'm hoping the tacks don't break before the dent gets pulled, otherwise I'll have to weld on them more and it'll make it harder for me. But this is what I got going on. James, do you want to hold the camera for me? While I pull the dent. Doesn't seem to be doing too bad a job. I think it looks like it's working, eh? Oh, another go here and another go here. Okay, so I pulled it out of the first spot and like sort of ground it back a bit flat, and it definitely pulled the dent out mostly. There's still a little bit there, but like it's not going to be perfect. We know that already, so it's going to be good enough. Maybe put some bog in there and some, I don't know, I think it'll work for us. Anyway. Okay, that's the bottom one pulled. That was the biggest one, the hardest one. I could probably, if I wanted to, I could put it there again and have another go and pull that little kink out, but I think that'll be fine. Maybe a little bit of bog and some sanding, but I can't be bothered at the moment. I'll do this top one and maybe this middle one again, maybe. But it's a lot better than it was. And now it'll be the straightest mirror in the world again. I mean, obviously it's not the best looking, but for a car you don't want to spend money on at a panel beater or buy a new door. Not bad. I can put some bog over that, and now it's like relatively straight. Pulled the dents as much as I could, and now I should be able to put a window in. I did weld a couple holes, but I just turned the heat down on the welder and patched them up with it. Grind them back and give it a coat of primer so it doesn't rust, and we should be good to go. Cleaned it up with the grinder a bit, put some primer on it. Doesn't look too bad really. Like, it's definitely been hit, like it definitely damaged, but I mean, from what it was, it's a door again basically. Shuts nice now. It's not super spring loaded like it was before. Yeah, I'm happy with that for free. Like, I'm super happy with that. I didn't film me doing it, but like putting the window in is super easy. You just like feed it in like nose first, like the front first, and like slide it in the track, and then just put the back half in, and then you just got these little bolts, 1 and 2, and you're done. Super easy. Yeah, so I'll have that back in, put my door card back on, and there we go, we'll have a window again. It'll be sweet. Okay, that's my door fixing done. It's still a bit kinked, but it's 100 times better than what it was. New windows in, door cards in. This window's tinted and the rest aren't, so whatever. It's sort of good, but just gonna look silly. But we never drive it with the windows up anyway, so who cares? Yeah, that's it. Keep on keeping on.